I'm bringing you a really simple dump cake recipe that I want to be sure to get on here so you can make it for your family this summer. First thing you need to do for this 3-ingredient chocolate cherry dump cake is heat your oven to 350 degrees. And we also need to, because I forgot to do it, spray your baking dish. You need a 9x13, if I didn't say so. And you need to spray it with some spray. You're going to need 2 cans of cherry pie filling. And like I did in the last dump cake recipe, you could use 1 can if that's all you had, but it's probably best if you do 2. Take your devil's food cake and sprinkle all over the top. And you are going to, and I kind of want to spread this out just a little bit. Cover the cherries. Really good. Not perfect, but just a little bit. And then take your butter and kind of sprinkle it all around. Make sure you can get all that butter out. Okay, so now all you have to do is put it in the oven 350 degrees for 42 to 45 minutes. Or until mostly dry on top and bubbly around the edges. And you will cool it 10 minutes before serving. Okay, I'll be back with you since it's done. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Real simple and easy. I would suggest adding a little bit more butter to the top, considering all the cake mix wasn't wet like it should be. But it should still taste fine. It's real easy and simple. Good idea for potlucks. Alright, see y'all next time.